Barcelona, Gaudí's genius, the Gothic Quarter's shadows, the Mediterranean calling, and you're about to experience every inch of it on your terms. Overpriced group tours. You get 45 minutes at the Sagrada Família and a rushed walk down La Rambla before someone pushes you back onto the bus. Uvamai's Barcelona self-guided audio tour gives you 15 of the city's most iconic landmarks, from the Sagrada Família to the Gothic Quarter, with expert audio narration revealing history, architecture, and secrets that tour guides skip entirely. For just $6, you get your private access link, professional audio guides, and an interactive map, delivered straight to you. No group, no rushing, no fixed schedule. This is Barcelona at your pace, for as many days as you want. Stand before the Sagrada Família and finally understand what Gaudí was building, and why it's still unfinished after 140 years. Walk Las Ramblas and hear the stories hidden inside every street corner. Step into the Gothic Quarter and feel 2,000 years of Roman, medieval, and modern Barcelona collide beneath your feet. Explore the Picasso Museum Quarter, the Palau de la Música, the Barcelona Cathedral, wander Park Güell, and see what Gaudí's imagination looked like set free. 15 landmarks, your schedule, your Barcelona. Travelers across the world choose Uvamai because they want to feel Barcelona, not just photograph it. Real stories, real freedom, real discovery. $6. 15 Barcelona landmarks. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.